So the notion of resilient capital came out of a conference that was at Mars, actually in, I think, October or September of 2007. And I came back from that and said to our deputy minister, we need to establish a fund like that in BC with this notion of some subordinated debt or some equity in it that can reduce the risk to investors, so we could actually leverage some dollars and attract a $10 or $20 million fund. And at that time, particularly around persons with disabilities, remarkably, our deputy minister said, fine. And we did actually that year have some surplus dollars, which was placed with the Vancouver Foundation on the notion that it would go as a mission-related investment into a resilient capital fund. And should the investment capital not be achieved, that money would actually go to support homelessness initiatives through the foundation. So it will be used for good purposes regardless of whether this happens. Since then, Vancity has come on board, and with a further $2 million, so there's a pool of $4 million to start as we go to approach institutional and high net worth sophisticated investors in September, with the idea that we might be able to do a close of that fundraising as early as December. Based on your experience, we could still be at this some years later, but we will see.